In this video, we're gonna solve this problem.
The arc of a bridge is in the shape of semi-ellipse with its major axis at the water level. Suppose the arc is 20 feet high in the middle and 120 feet across its major axis. How high above the water level is the arc? At a point of 20 feet from the center horizontally, round off to 2 decimal places. And so, we have this figure. The arc is 20 feet high in the middle and the semi-ellipse is 120 feet across its major axis. So, we have here negative 60, 0, and 60, 0. Now, we want to find how high above the water level is the arc at a point 20 feet from the center horizontally.
We can conclude that the center is 0, 0. Based on the illustration, the ellipse is horizontal. Because it is horizontal, it has an equation x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared is equal to 1.
Since the arc is 20 feet high in the middle and 120 feet across its major axis, we can say that the length of the major axis is 2a, which is 2a is 120. And if 2a is 120, that implies that the value of a is 60, while b is equal to 20, because it is the distance between the center up to a co-vertex.
The goal is to determine how high above the water level is the arch at point 20 feet from the center horizontally. Since the point 20 feet from the center is horizontally, we can conclude that the point 20 feet from the center is on an x coordinate, so the x is equivalent to 20.
This is our standard equation. Now let us substitute. The value of a is 60, the value of b is 20, and the value of x is 20. Simplifying 20 squared is 400, simplifying 60 squared is 3600, and simplifying 20 squared is 400.
Then, reducing 400 over 3600 into its lowest term, it will give us 1 over 9. Then I move 1 over 9 to the right, so it became negative. So 1 minus 1 over 9, that will be 8 over 9. And then, for us to eliminate the denominator of y squared, we just need to multiply both sides of the equation by 400. So 400 will multiply to 8. That will be 3200 over 9. Now, y squared is 355.55. The value of y will be 18.86. Thus, the arc measures 18.86 feet at a point 20 feet from the center horizontally.